arbitrationagreements.org. In the intricate realm of alternative dispute resolution, or ADR, understanding effective negotiation strategies is paramount. Today, we explore these strategies and highlight key statistical data that accentuates their importance. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. The first negotiation strategy in ADR is known as interest-based negotiation. Instead of battling over positions, negotiators focus on the parties' underlying interests. The Harvard Negotiation Project discovered that focusing on interests rather than positions led to more satisfying, durable agreements in 76% of cases. The next strategy is the best alternative to a negotiated agreement, or BATNU. This refers to the most advantageous alternative that a negotiating party can take if negotiations fail and an agreement cannot be reached. Statistics show that negotiators who have a strong BATNU often gain better outcomes. A study from the Journal of Applied Psychology in 2019 found that those who had a robust BATNU were 55% more successful in their negotiations. The third strategy is expanding the pie. Instead of viewing the negotiation as a zero-sum game, parties look for ways to expand resources or create value. This can lead to win-win outcomes. A study from the University of Michigan revealed that in labor negotiation cases, expanding the pie resulted in 65% more mutually beneficial agreements. Finally, the anchoring tactic. It's the practice of introducing the first offer in a negotiation. Research indicates that the party who makes the first offer often has the upper hand. A 2021 Wharton Business School study found that the initial offer has a strong anchoring effect, impacting the final settlement in nearly 73% of negotiations. Remember, successful negotiation in ADR is not merely about winning. It's about understanding the interests, preparing alternatives, expanding possibilities, and strategically anchoring your position. These tactics, when mastered, can empower you to achieve more fruitful, lasting agreements. If you want to learn more information about negotiation strategies in ADR, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. Also, what do you think about the negotiation strategies presented in this video? Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.